Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 keyboard input lag in games. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Speed tab, change repeat rate to slow. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Keyboard. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards, right-click keyboards, click Uninstall device, after uninstall restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.